Hey everyone, Miss Imani here with a short tutorial on how to set up your affirmation bullet journal using the instructions from your kit. Although this isn't a traditional bullet journal, these are great for beginners and those that aren't familiar with bullet journaling. I've tried to stick with a very simple layout that you can build upon once you become familiar with the details of bullet journaling. Just FYI, this is a two-part video, and in the second half of the video, Miss Michelle will review with you her affirmation journal layout. So let's get started. The first 2 pages of my journal were left blank for my table of contents. Make sure to complete your table of contents once you've completed your journal layout. You will notice on the left I created an affirmation key, which is an optional step. The icons will help me to identify which affirmations I want to focus on for that particular day. You will notice that the second half of my table of contents consists of a yearly recap. This step is optional, of course. In this section, I will include what I've gained internally from this experience for the year and what I hope to improve on during the upcoming year. For the most part, each month will have the same simple layout, which will consist of a monthly calendar to mark the beginning of a new month, 2 days per page with a minimum of 3 affirmations per date, and a monthly recap at the end to wrap up that month. I would encourage everyone to try and keep up with your journals for the entire year. Journaling is such an amazing hobby that offers a positive outlet when you're feeling a little overwhelmed. Also, don't forget to add some personality to the front and back cover of your notebook. You can use crayons, markers, color pencils, or acrylic paint.
Hi everyone, Miss Michelle here, and I'm going to show you guys the affirmation journal I made. So as you can see, I painted the cover because it's canvas. I wanted something fun, so I did splatter paint, and there's some glitter on it too. So the way I did it, I skipped the first 2 pages like the instructions said. I haven't decorated them yet. I went through and numbered 1 through 16 for each month. But then I forgot that February was shorter, so my months are a little off. And what I did was, instead of having to write out all of the dates, I typed them up and printed them so I could cut out and glue the strips. And instead of having an affirmation for each day, I made one for each week. So we go through to the next one. So I have one for each week of 2021. I used a little spirograph to decorate, and I've highlighted, and I decided that I wanted to have like a to-do list and what I'm grateful for that day. But instead of calling it a to-do list, I made it fun. I called it how to seize the day. And I want to try and create a habit of drinking water and watching ASL videos to learn sign language. I just went through and wrote each day, glued the dates, and I decorated how I wanted. I got some washi tape. And I went through and I changed it up a bit for February. As you can see, at the end I made little habit trackers, so that way I can mark off when I work out, how much I floss, make sure I keep on task with that. It's the same thing for February. I just changed up the view a little bit and I called it task and goodness. And I added little check boxes again for my drinking water, exercising, taking care of my teeth, learning sign language. So I haven't done all of it yet, but that's kind of what I did. So I went through and numbered everything. I also decided I wanted to put some puns to make it fun. So yeah, that's what I did. I've made it through March, but I haven't decided what I want to do yet. So that is my affirmation journal. Just have fun with it. It can be different.